Hi, welcome back to forceGalaxy. So again, we are here to discuss the most common question asked, that is the certification necessary if you are applying for a job, if either you are a fresher or you are a experienced one. So here if I say a one word answer, so no, the certification are not necessary or are not mandatory part. So the main thing is you are having the knowledge of the topics you are showing in your resume. Like if you are a fresher and if you are carrying a certification with you, and here again if you go for the interview, the interviewer expectation from you will be more. So he will going to ask you the question, scenario based question, and will going to look your approaches you will going to share, and the answer you will going to share with him. So again he will compare your knowledge as per the your interview, you have given the interview, and with the certification. So here if you lack in giving the answers or in the approaches, then it will impact your performance here and will give the negative point to the interviewer. So again, if a person is not having any certification with him and he is having a good knowledge on the basics and giving the approaches to solve the scenario, so here the interviewer will obviously going to hire a person with this with the knowledge. Okay, so again here the companies are only looking for the persons who are having the knowledge, so they only can help them out in their projects, not the person who are only carrying the certification are not having the knowledge as per the expectations here. So I suggest you, if you are good enough and you are confident, yes, you are having this much of knowledge, then obviously you should go with the certification, and then it will also show it will also a plus point over the interview because you are having the knowledge and also the certification here. So it will be a plus point. But again, if you are not having the knowledge as per the expectation, then it will be a negative point for you only. Okay, if I talk about myself also, I am also not carrying much certification with me, as I also believe like I should be more confident on the knowledge on my skills, then only I will go for the certifications here. Okay, don't do this like all are having the certification, so I should also go with the certification there. Then again, if you went for the interview and unable to answer, then it will be a bad point for you only. So I only suggest you should focus more on your points on the basic skills, then not to worry about the certifications. Then only companies will only look for the knowledge, not for the certification. Certifications, yes, they are also necessary at some point. Like if you are having 5 to 6 years of experience, so at this point, so companies expect that you at least having the basic certification like admin certified, development platform certified. So you should then at that point you should carry some of the certifications. And of course, if you are having 5 to 2 years of experience, so you are obviously good in the knowledge also, so you can justify your certification also at that time. Okay, so hope you guys find the video interesting. We'll meet you soon in the next video.